Hello everyone and welcome back to THMOTO. I am TH and I'm fixing my glove. It looks like it's gonna rain today. Welcome back to my local Taco Bell where it smells like fecal matter today. Luckily we know that that's because of what comes out of you after you Taco Bell, not what goes into the Taco Bell. I don't know why that is though. It smells really weird. It doesn't usually smell like raw sewage over here. But yeah, I had always planned on recording this morning, and then I kind of talked myself out of it a little bit. And then when I saw the weather, I was like, oh yeah, with my luck, if I don't record, it's gonna rain. So it's probably not gonna rain, but I'm mostly making this video so I don't have to deal with the rain. And if I do have to deal with the rain, then you get to see it. And that should be fun for children of all ages. Expletives will be deleted, don't worry kids. I do love the weather though. It's really, really nice outside. It's like low 80s, so high 70s with a little bit of wind chill riding. I was just thinking to myself, I don't know why I wasn't talking to you because you're here, but I don't remember what dew or seeing dew in Las Vegas ever. Do you know what dew is? Like morning dew? I remember seeing it all the time growing up in Southern California, but it's so dry here, I just don't think it's a thing. I mean, obviously there'll be like wet grass or something, like right there because the sprinklers are on, but not like actual dew. Stay away from me, car. Van, whatever. Yeah, I don't know why I was thinking about that. Oh, it's because I was thinking about how cool it is outside and that the morning dew probably assists with that, but not if there isn't any there. It doesn't. I like taking the middle or the inside lanes, or I guess outside lanes on roundabouts, because you get to lean a little bit more. It's a little bit more fun. I can lean my head with my bike so you can see how much I'm actually leaning. Or maybe you could tell anyway. I don't know. Maybe you're just perceptive like that. Casual, average YouTube watcher. My ways, my will fall. Cool. Thank you so much. So I figured out how to upload shorts with audio last night, as you may have noticed. Did a few of them. And they all had audio and had absolutely no issues with the way that someone on YouTube taught me how to upload to YouTube. It's not very intuitive how to make it a short. Like I noticed that, so like when you're uploading a file, it gives you a preview of the link to the video, and it actually like changes it to shorts, but I couldn't get it to change to shorts unless I actually put hashtag shorts in it, which is, I guess, makes sense to me because it doesn't know for a fact that it's designed to be a short unless you tell it. Like maybe the algorithm or the AI that they use to detect that isn't perfect yet, which makes perfect sense. But then why not just put on the desktop app, like, shorts? Upload a video, shorts. Like, on the mobile app, it's super duper easy, and I wish that that button was still there. But for whatever reason, the mobile app does not let me upload with audio. Or at least it wasn't yesterday. Try again, I just don't feel like wasting all that time, you know? If it doesn't work. Roundabouts aren't as much fun with traffic, gotta tell you. Oh, that was illegal and dangerous. Get away from the cagers! Have you ever noticed the sound of cicadas in my videos? I know you probably noticed the sound of wind noise, but I actually keep some of the camera noise in because I think it makes it feel like more motorcycle-y. You don't get probably as much of it up here as you did when it was on my windscreen, but yeah, I wonder if you ever noticed the cicada noise in my videos. Let's see if I can hear one right now. No, I definitely heard some when I was riding downtown center, but not so much anymore. But this is the time of year. They're for sure out. Every day I hear them. I was actually talking to my wife about the fact that I just kind of block them out now. I'm so used to them that I don't even hear them unless I like actively think about the fact that I can hear them. Wow, that garbage truck got some bright ass LEDs. Glad to see that the privatization of trash collection has been so profitable for them to where they can upgrade the lights on the truck. Alright, ready? We're gonna have fun on Charleston like we typically do. Oh. If I can shift in a second gear. And that, once again, ladies and gentlemen, is why I don't take it up to red line, just in case, you know, my foot or my bike betrays me. I'm not sure who is to blame there, but either way, it happened. Anyways, thanks for coming to my motorcycle YouTube video where I learned how to ride a motorcycle for the very first time. Appreciate it. And I'm glad I got a Yamaha because a less notoriously reliable motorcycle might have just blown up just now. See that cloud right above me? That's why I thought that it was going to rain. Hopefully it rains while I'm on board. Glad I'm on board with it. Or maybe it'll open up and start a torrential downpour as soon as I'm pulling in. I'd be okay with that too. If it started raining right now, that would really suck. He said moments before it started raining. But I think I am going to take a break from uploading daily. I think I want to put more thought into what I want to talk about. Obviously, I'm not the natural born conversationalist that some other YouTubers are that can just have an endless monologue or have a dozens of minutes long soapbox moment without anyone else to bounce ideas off of or talk to. But I can definitely be thoughtful with writtens, like I could script a video, and I was thinking about maybe taking some camera footage and then voiceovering it. So that might be interesting, and then cut back to the camera audio if something interesting happens, but I would not be actively recording my voice during those videos. So that might be a different format of video that I could try, or I could just script it and memorize the script and talk about the stuff while I am writing, or have notes like on my phone or something. My phone is right here doing nothing. I don't think I'm to the point yet where I can check my phone while I'm actively writing, but you know, I can glance down real quick at stoplights and stuff. So we'll have to see what I want to do, but I'll probably finish out this week posting once a day. I have another video that's uploading. Today is Tuesday, so I have another video scheduled to upload tomorrow, and then this one will be Thursday, and then I'll probably, we'll have to see how it goes. I don't know. There's that red rock smell again. Just casually rolling on the throttle and having a fun ride to work. It's something that I definitely took for granted when I was driving my car. It's just how fun something so simple can be. That's my favorite part of riding a motorcycle, for sure. People talk about freedom and all that stuff. I don't feel any more free than I did when I had a car. But it's such a different experience. It's a way different experience. You know, I'm using an iPhone 14 instead of a $40 Kyocera Android phone. That's what it feels like. Like the experience, obviously what I'm doing is still fundamentally the same, but the experience is so much different. Chasing them off. There it goes. Alright, we're pulling in, finishing up. Gonna have a great day at work. I hope that you are going to have a great day too, no matter where you are. But if you got time, comment, tell me something you want to see, like my video, share my channel with someone you know. But most importantly, take care of yourself. I'll see you next time. Peace.